There is a very specific frustration that comes with wanting privacy in your own backyard, and realizing the hoops you have to jump through just to put up a simple screen or a fence panel. Somewhere along the way, making your outdoor space feel like your own became something you had to ask permission for. It does not have to be that way. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, where we find practical solutions that work around the rules instead of breaking them. Today I have 15 backyard privacy hacks, sourced entirely from Dollar Tree, and not a single one of them requires drilling into a shared fence, digging post holes, or asking anyone for approval. If you have ever felt like your patio or yard was a little too exposed and the HOA rulebook was standing between you and a solution, these are for you. Before we start, tell me in the comments what part of your outdoor space feels the most overlooked right now. Is it a balcony, a patio corner, or a yard line that needs definition? And stay with me all the way through, because hack number 14 uses something you have probably walked past 100 times without ever realizing it could become the perfect portable privacy wall. Hack number 1, tension rods. This is the foundation of several privacy solutions, and it works because it requires absolutely nothing permanent. Dollar Tree carries small extendable tension rods in the home section, the same kind you would use for a shower curtain or a window valance. The beauty of a tension rod is that it fits between two solid surfaces using pressure alone. Porch posts, balcony walls, the space between a railing and an overhang. You twist it until it locks into place, and it holds firmly without a single screw. When you are ready to take it down, you reverse the twist and it leaves no trace behind. For backyard privacy, you can string these rods between posts at different heights and drape fabric from them, or use them as the top rail for a hanging screen. The key here is that a tension rod is not a permanent modification. It is a temporary fixture, which means it slides right past the typical HOA restrictions on structures and alterations. For $1.25 you get the starting point of a privacy system that comes down as easily as it goes up. Hack number 2. Vinyl outdoor tablecloths with flannel backing. These are in the party supply section and they are one of the most underrated outdoor materials Dollar Tree stocks. The vinyl side is waterproof, which means rain rolls right off and the fabric does not get heavy or moldy the way indoor curtains would. The flannel backing adds weight and opacity, so when you hang one of these vertically it creates a solid visual barrier that neighbors cannot see through. The tablecloths already have finished edges and grommet holes in some styles, or you can use clip-on curtain rings to attach them to a tension rod or a wire. Hung between two porch posts or along a balcony railing, a couple of these tablecloths create a soft privacy wall that feels intentional and clean, not like a tarp thrown up in a hurry. They come in solid colors and simple patterns, so you can match whatever look your outdoor space already has. Total cost for a 6-foot privacy panel, about $5. Hack number 3. Shower curtains. This one works on the exact same principle as the tablecloths but with a different look and feel. Dollar Tree shower curtains are designed to handle moisture, so they hold up outdoors far better than regular fabric curtains. Many of them come in frosted or textured patterns that let light through while blurring the view from outside. Grommet holes are already reinforced, which means you can hang them straight onto a tension rod or a coated wire with no extra hardware. The frosted options are particularly nice for balcony privacy because they create a soft diffused glow when sunlight hits them, instead of casting a harsh shadow the way a solid tarp would. And because they are literally designed for bathrooms, they resist mildew and dry quickly after rain. For anyone with a rental balcony or a condo patio where you cannot mount anything permanent, a shower curtain on a tension rod is about as simple and reversible as it gets. Hack number 4. Bamboo roll-up blinds. These have been a consistent Dollar Tree item for a while now, and when you look at them through the lens of backyard privacy, they transform into something far more useful than a window covering. Unrolled and mounted vertically, a bamboo blind looks nearly identical to the reed fencing that garden centers sell for $20 to $30 a panel. The difference is that a Dollar Tree blind costs $1.25 and can be hung with nothing more than a few temporary adhesive hooks or a tension rod at the top and bottom. The bamboo slats block direct sight lines while still allowing air to flow through, which is important on a hot day when you want privacy but not a wind barrier that turns your patio into an oven. You can line up several blinds side by side along a railing or between posts to create a continuous natural-looking screen. At the end of the season you roll them up, store them in the garage and put them back out next spring. No weathering concerns, no HOA complaints. Hack number 5. Tall plastic wastebaskets as freestanding planters. This is one of those ideas that sounds too simple until you see it in action and realize how well it works. Dollar Tree sells tall cylindrical plastic wastebaskets in the home organization section, the kind meant for a bathroom or office. They are about 12 to 14 inches deep, which is enough root space for ornamental grasses that grow 4 to 5 feet tall. Fill each wastebasket with good potting soil. Drill or poke a few drainage holes in the bottom, and plant a clumping grass like fountain grass or a compact bamboo variety. Line up several of these planters along the edge of your patio or the boundary of your yard, and as the grasses grow they form a living green privacy screen that belongs entirely to you. Because the planters are freestanding and movable, they are not a structure. They are container plants which fall outside the scope of most HOA rules about fences and permanent screens. You can rearrange them, move them to follow the sun, or bring them indoors when the season ends. Tall hack number 6. Over-the-door hanging baskets. These are the wire or plastic baskets with hooks designed to hang over a door and hold shoes or pantry items. In a garden context, those same baskets hook securely over a porch railing or a balcony edge, and when you fill them with trailing plants they become a vertical garden that doubles as a privacy screen. Plant fast-growing trailers like sweet potato vine, English ivy, or trailing petunias. As the plants grow and cascade downward, the baskets themselves disappear behind a curtain of foliage. The effect is a layered green wall that blocks sightlines from below, while still feeling open and airy. Because the baskets simply hook over your own railing, there is no attachment to shared property and nothing permanent. If you ever need to remove them, you lift them off and the railing is exactly as it was before. This is privacy through abundance rather than through walls, and it is one of the most visually appealing options on this list. Hack number 7. Faux ivy garlands. Not every privacy solution needs to involve living plants and the waiting period that comes with them. Dollar Tree sells long strands of faux ivy in the floral and craft section, and while they are meant for indoor decorating, they hold up surprisingly well outdoors if they are under a covered porch or balcony. Drape these garlands along your balcony railing, wrap them around the posts of your porch, or hang them vertically from a tension rod to create an instant green wall. The leaves are dense enough to break up sightlines and create the feeling of an enclosed garden space without blocking all the light. The advantage of faux greenery is that it looks the same in January as it does in June. No watering, no waiting, no replacing plants that did not survive a heat wave. For anyone who wants the look of a lush green privacy screen without the maintenance, this is a straightforward and affordable solution. Hack number 8. Jute rope. This is the thick natural twine that Dollar Tree sells in the craft and hardware sections, and when you use it horizontally, it creates a privacy screen that feels coastal and intentional. The setup is simple. You need 2 freestanding poles which you can create by setting broom handles or wooden dowels into buckets filled with sand or gravel. Place the buckets at either end of the space you want to define. Run jute rope between the 2 poles at different heights, starting near the top and working down in even rows. The horizontal lines create a visual barrier that defines your space and breaks up sight lines without feeling heavy or closed in. You can weave fabric strips through the ropes for more coverage, or leave them bare for a minimalist look. The whole structure stands on its own, fully movable, fully temporary, and fully yours. Hack number 9. Mason jars with solar lights. Privacy does not only matter during the day. In fact, evening privacy can feel even more important when your neighbor's windows light up and your patio suddenly feels like a stage. Dollar Tree mason jars are one of the most versatile items in the store. For this project, you hang them at varying heights from a freestanding frame or a tension rod using jute twine. Drop a solar stake light into each jar, minus the plastic stake so just the light unit sits inside. During the day the jars charge in the sun. At night they glow softly, and when you cluster enough of them together the concentrated light creates a visual barrier. Anyone looking toward your patio sees a field of warm glowing jars rather than a clear view of your seating area. The effect is both practical and genuinely beautiful, and because everything hangs from a freestanding or pressure-mounted support, there is nothing to drill and nothing to ask permission for. Hack number 10. Plastic tablecloths used as strip curtains. This is one of the most playful ideas on the list, and it works especially well for balconies and porch edges where you want partial privacy without blocking the breeze. Dollar Tree plastic tablecloths come in a range of colors including clear frosted options. Cut the tablecloth into long strips from the bottom up, stopping a few inches from the top so the strips stay connected. Hang the uncut top edge from a tension rod or a wire. The strips hang down like a beaded curtain but softer, and they move with the wind in a way that feels light and whimsical rather than heavy and confining. The frosted version obscures details without darkening the space, which is ideal for small balconies where you still want natural light. When the season ends or you want a different look, the whole thing comes down in under a minute. Hack number 11. Small wooden crates stacked as a privacy divider. Dollar Tree sells these little unfinished wooden crates in the craft section, and when you stack them in a staggered pattern and secure them together with zip ties, they form a rustic freestanding privacy wall. The staggered arrangement creates small cubby openings facing both sides, and each cubby can hold a small potted plant, a candle lantern or a decorative stone. The crates themselves block direct sight lines while the plants and objects inside them add texture and personality. Because the structure is freestanding and assembled without any attachment to fences or walls, it is essentially a piece of outdoor furniture rather than a privacy fence. You can move it around your patio as the sun shifts, reposition it for different gatherings, or disassemble it entirely at the end of the season. Hack number 12. Solar stake lights clustered as a boundary. This is the simplest idea on the entire list, and yet it is one of the most effective for evening privacy. Dollar Tree solar stake lights cost $1.25 each. Instead of scattering them along a pathway, cluster them densely along the boundary of your patio or balcony. Place them in a narrow planter box filled with soil or sand, so they stand upright in a tight row. During the day they are unobtrusive little stakes. At night the concentrated row of lights creates a defined glowing edge that says this space ends here. It is not a physical wall, but psychologically it works the same way. Anyone looking toward your patio sees a field of light rather than a clear view of your seating area. The lights are completely freestanding, fully removable, and cost about $10 for a row long enough to define one side of a typical balcony. Hack number 13. Wire hanging baskets with cocoa liners. Dollar Tree sells these in the garden section during the growing season, and they are typically used for hanging flowers from a porch beam. For privacy, hang a row of them side by side along your balcony railing, or from a freestanding frame. Fill each basket with a bushy plant like ferns, coleus, or compact basil. As the plants fill out, the row of baskets creates a layered green screen that blocks sight lines at multiple heights. The cocoa liners add texture and hold moisture well, so the plants thrive even in the reflected heat of a balcony or patio. Because the baskets hang from your own railing or frame, there is no attachment to shared property and nothing that requires approval. Hack number 14. A freestanding garment rack as a privacy frame. This is the one I told you to stay for, and here is why it deserves its own spot on this list. Dollar Tree carries simple collapsible garment racks in the home section, the kind meant for hanging clothes in a laundry room or closet. Most people walk right past them without a second thought. But placed on a patio, a garment rack stands about 5 to 6 feet tall, is fully collapsible, and weighs almost nothing. It becomes a freestanding frame that you can drape with any fabric you choose. A shower curtain, a tablecloth, a sheer panel, even a lightweight outdoor blanket. The rack stands on its own, requires zero installation, and can be folded up and stored in a closet when you do not need it. For renters and condo owners especially, this is about as close as you can get to a portable privacy wall that leaves absolutely no trace behind. The fact that something designed for laundry can double as a backyard privacy solution is exactly the kind of thinking that makes the difference between feeling stuck and feeling free in your own outdoor space. Hack number 15. Pop-up mesh laundry hampers as planter screens. This is the final hack, and it follows the same unexpected logic as the garment rack. Dollar Tree pop-up mesh laundry hampers are tall cylindrical containers with a springy wire frame that holds its shape. Fill one with potting soil, and plant a fast-growing climbing vine like Morning Glory, or Black-Eyed Susan vine at the base. Insert a few bamboo stakes or a small trellis inside the hamper for the vine to climb. As the plant grows, it covers the mesh and turns a laundry hamper into a tower of foliage. Line up several of these hampers along a patio edge or balcony rail, and you have a row of living privacy screens that stand about 3 feet tall, cost very little, and can be moved anywhere the sun is best. At the end of the season, the soil can be composted, and the hampers folded flat for storage. There you have it. 15 ways to create privacy in your own backyard without drilling into anything, without digging post holes, and without opening an HOA rulebook. Tension rods holding up tablecloths and shower curtains. Bamboo blinds turned vertical, waste baskets and laundry hampers growing living green screens, faux ivy and jute rope and mason jars and solar lights and stacked crates and garment racks. Every single one of these ideas respects the rules while still giving you the private outdoor space you deserve. Finding the clever path around the obstacle instead of letting the obstacle decide what your yard can be. Want to know which of these hacks you are actually going to try? And if you have come up with your own no-permission privacy solution, share that in the comments too. I learn as much from your creativity as you do from these videos. Subscribe if you want more practical solutions that work with the rules instead of against them. Until next time, enjoy your space and make it yours.